So, we know that sleep is essential to making memories long term. For example, when someone says to get a good night's sleep before an exam, it is scientifically based because the sleep period that you receive does determine how well memories are consolidated. And memory consolidation is just your brain's process during sleep in which it organizes these memories and processes them to make them more resistant to change. Sleep period, so how long you sleep, does affect how well your brain is able to do this. For example, a shorter sleep period, your brain is less likely to consolidate these memories well, whereas vice versa, a longer, better period of sleep, you're able to have better results. So this study studies the effect of sleep on consolidation, which as we know is making a new memory long term and more resistant to change, and reconsolidation of memories, which is basically your brain's ability to recall these memories from the past to use them in the present. So, we know
I will be sharing our method for exploring how sleep affects the reconsolidation of declarative memories. We are building on previous research with a few key modifications to deepen our understanding of this process. The original study used three groups: reconsolidation, remote consolidation, and recent consolidation. In our research, we can modify this by extending sleep duration or introducing new memory tasks, such as emotional memory, to explore if sleep has distinct effects on different types of memory. Additionally, we can examine the specific effects of REM and slow-wave sleep on reconsolidation. We can identify which sleep stage most impacts memory reconsolidation. We might also use multimodal cues, such as smells, sounds, or visual prompts, to reactive memories, observing if different sensory modalities influence in consolidation in unique ways. To better understand these effects, we can optimize data analysis by applying machine learning to predict which sleep characteristics, like deep sleep duration, are most strongly linked to reconsolidation, which would increase the precision of our results. Finally, incorporating control variables like emotional state and daytime active could help reduce external influence, making our findings more reliable and accurate.
The results of the study showed that sleep significantly improved memory performance only in the reconsolidation group compared to the wakefulness retention interval subjects who slept after reactivation were able to point to more correct card locations relative to their learning level. This finding is consistent with the hypothesis that sleep promotes memory reconsolidation. In the reconsolidation group, memory performance correlated with the duration of sleep stage 4, which is the deepest low wave sleep. This observation suggests that reconsolidation, like the consolidation, may be supported by focal events associated with the slow wave sleep. Although sleep also had some benefit for the remote consolidation group, this benefit was not significant. For the recent consolidation group, there was no significant difference in memory performance between the sleep and awake conditions. This suggests that brief sleep has limited benefits on newly accrued memory consolidation. A short sleep of only 40 minutes promotes reconsolidation but not consolidation. This suggests that sleep-dependent reconsolidation may act faster than the consolidation. This finding is consistent with previous evidence from animal studies. The study suggests that there are many similarities between reconsolidation and consolidation in terms of underlying plasticity process, but there may also be some differences. Future research needs to further explore the relationship and the difference between the two.
This study on sleep's role in memory reconsolidation offers valuable insight into how the brain strengthens memory. One major strength lies in its experimental design, a true experiment, which allows researchers to define well-established temporal order between cause and effect. By using variables like recent versus remote memories and carefully controlling for alternative explanations, the study achieves high internal validity, which strengthens the causal conclusion it draws. This methodological rigor ensures that observed effects on memory consolidations are indeed due to sleep. However, the study does have its limitations that affect the scope of its conclusions. The sleep intervention consists of a 45-minute nap, which only includes non-REM sleep, not REM. This is notable because memory reconsolidation most commonly occurs during REM sleep, according to numerous studies, which was not represented here. Without a full sleep cycle, it's challenging to generalize these findings to find typical overnight sleep, where both non-REM and REM sleep stages interact. Another limitation is the timing of the memory tests. The stability of memories was assessed shortly after interference learning, which created larger differences between consolidation and reconsolidation effects. A longer delay would provide more insight into the lasting effects of sleep on memory stability. And lastly, while the study establishes that sleep benefits memory reconsolidation, it doesn't pinpoint exactly how it contributes to this process. Understanding whether sleep strengthens, protects, or reorganizes memory would require further research on the specific mechanisms involved.
In the study on sleep's role in the reconsolidation of declarative memory, we believe that a limitation of this study is that the participants only sleep for a duration of 40 minutes after memory reactivation. We don't believe that this is a true representation of REM sleep, whereby most memory reconsolidation occurs. REM generally starts 90 minutes into sleep, and we have multiple REM cycles throughout the night that can last up to 1 hour. While slow-wave sleep is important for reconsolidation, so is REM, and this will not occur after 40 minutes of sleep. To address this limitation, we will set up a similar study. However, we would have 3 groups, one for 40 minutes, one for 90 minutes, and one would get a full night sleep. Thus, we are measuring both REM and SWS. This means that we can compare the effects of partial versus complete sleep on declarative memory consolidation. This will also clarify if a particular stage of sleep are critical for sleep consolidation in comparison to others. The study is important to understanding the role of SWS and REM and the roles that they play in memory consolidation of declarative memories. This means the study will potentially advance our knowledge in memory retention, and the results can be beneficial to optimizing sleep to enhance memory processes and memory retention. We can use these results to benefit those with memory impairments or maximize learning for students in education, therefore advancing our knowledge and supporting why this study is both important and worthwhile. In the study on
In conclusion, our study highlights the significant role of sleep in memory reconsolidation. We found that even a short 40-minute sleep period following memory reactivation can strengthen declarative memories, making them more resilient to interference. Interestingly, this reconsolidation process happens faster than initial consolidation of new memories, suggesting that sleep might engage different mechanisms for each process. Our result underscores the importance of deep slow wave sleep, or SWS, in memory reconsolidation. During this sleep stage, we believe that memory traces are reactivated and stabilized, enhancing their durability. These findings have valuable implications. For individuals with memory impairments, optimizing sleep could be a potential strategy for improving memory retentions. This also provides insights for educational strategies, as understanding the role of sleep stage can help in designing better learning and retention approaches. Looking forward, future research could be explore how sleep influences different types of memories, the exact duration needed, and the role of various sleep stages, like REM, to see if there are unique benefits for other memory processes. Okay, that's all we have to say at this presentation. Thank you for watching.